Echo is current altimeter 3000, expect 18 right. Of 220, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff.
220, clear for takeoff, runway 17 right, clear, wing speed 90. Papa.
Blue 1033, our line to ground, Romeo is now current altimeter 3000, wind 230 at 7. Runway 17 right, taxi via Charlie, Juliet, Golf, and Hotel 1.
7 right, Charlie, Juliet, Golf, Hotel 1, 1033.
Center 1102, descend, maintain 6000.
Maintain 6000, pressure flight level 50.
Give us 1326 heavy, descend, maintain 6000. Go.
Clear for takeoff, American 2894 on gate 25, airside 3, I believe. We're going to push for Seagull.
Clear 2894 on the ground, push back, put on discretion. Romeo is not current, expect 17 right.
So looks like 17 right, we've got Romeo on board 2894 there.
Sure, wing 550, kind of departure, have a good flight. Wing 892, kind of departure, have a good flight. Spirit wings 224 on the tower, flighting of 160, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff. Vector climb.
Up to 16,000, left to 120, spirit wings 550.
Clear 1102, reduce speed to 200 unless you're following a heavy jet.
Speed 200 or less, flight.
DBS 1326, heavy turn right heading. Spirit 892, contact Jacksonville Center 135.45.
3545, good ATS, Spirit 892.
JetBlue 1033, on the tower, flighting of 160, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff.
Heading 160, clear for takeoff, 17 right, JetBlue 1033.
Bearings 224, turn left direct Guano on course.
Stay 24.
Frontier flight 1102, descend maintain 4000.
Down to 4,000, Frontier flight level 02.
Bearings 550, contact Jacksonville Center 135.45.
13545, runway 551.
Thank you.
Box 2963, 2000, 5000, heading 205.
Sure, 2963, landed, departure radar contact, climb and maintain 16,000, turn right heading 260, vector climb.
Landed 16,000, heading 260, spring 2963.
UBIS 1326, heavy tower 124.3.
12, 3,
Center 1274, line approach, roger, arrival light is Echo, is current altimeter 3000, expect 20 right.
20 right.
Southwest current altimeter 300, expect 1 at right, Romeo is now current. Pushback bridge on discretion, you can expect 18 right. EBS 9728, will you be ready for taxi prior to the top of the hour? Thank you, we leave the runway at the top of the hour, just wanted to make sure. Maintain VFR, traffic 12 o'clock, 10 miles opposite direction at 5,000, RV10, Orlando on career 3001. November 56, Quebec, you have exited the Bravo. I was just letting you know that you have exited the Bravo. Orlando Executive Airport, can you do that or no?
Roger.
Yeah, perfect, 865 Mike Kilo, cleared visual approach 18 right.
Clear visual 18 right, Mike Kilo.
Wing 735, contact Jacksonville Center 135.75.
Alright, 35, 75, 735. Once the flight 1162, we'll follow Southwest. Thank you.
Turn left heading 160, right 17 right, push to go.
Right, just 1405. Follow here, Southwest 1070.
3, will we go to 18 right at Bravo 1 for scheduled closure?
Roger, we have one more arrival to 18 right.
Copy that. We'll go to 18 right. You're on the way 18 right, taxi, signature. 876 Orlando, ground exit 630 left on.
Orlando departure, Spurwing 675, heading 160, 1,800 for 5,000.
Here 675 Orlando departure radar, contact climb and maintain 14,000.
Climb maintain 14,000, Spurwing 675.
Orlando ground, Delta 2535. Delta 2535, line of ground. Yes, sir, we are pushing off gate 71, checking for a release to Atlanta. Delta 2535, line of ground, push back to your discretion. As of right now, there is no delay to Atlanta. You can expect runway 17 right. Thank you, sir, appreciate it.
Southwest 1070, checking in 2,900 down for 5,000, heading 160.
Southwest 1070 Orlando departure, good morning, radar contact, turn left, direct Guano on course, climb and maintain 16,000.
Let's turn direct to Guano on course up to 16,000, Southwest 1070.
LEJ 2369 Orlando departure, good morning, turn left, heading 330, climb and maintain 110.
Fully ready, 17 right.
386, Orlando, turn right 220, 17 right, clear for takeoff.
Right, 220, clear for takeoff, 17 right, through 187.
386, change plans, turn left, heading 160.
Alright, left 160, through 136.
Zero good for information, tank Colonel on altimeter 3001.
Southwest 3349.
3349, roger, right, 17 right, taxi Hotel 1.
Hotel 117 right, thanks.
2535 Orlando Tower, turn right, 220, correction, turn left, heading 160, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff.
Oh, 17 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 2535.
Coming departure.
386, good then. Headmarker, sir, wind 386, 1,300, climbing 5,000.
Sure, 386 Orlando departure, radar contact, climb and maintain
3349. 75, leaves 2292, good day. You have a great morning. Southwest 2184.
705, gel sitting 030 on six vectors to the east of precipitation to your north, and then on course with the center.
709, Orlando clearance.
Yeah, push back in about 15 knots. Yeah, Orlando 4. Can we expect 17 right full length or be doing inspection hotel 2?
It is closed, then taxi to the ramp.
Okay, cleared across 18 right here at Echo and taxi to the ramp. UPS 9817, everything.
UPS 2325 is ready for takeoff, 17 right.
UPS 2325 Heavy Orlando Tower, good morning. Runway 17 right, line up and wait, tropical cross downfield.
Line up and wait, 17 right, UPS 2325.
Gain 6,000.
10 right, descend 6,000, runway 554.
American 461, fly heading 340.
340, and grounded 3.720, so right attack to the uniform.
3722, Orlando, 17 right, taxi via Echo 2, Echo, and Hotel.
Echo 2, Echo Team Hotel, 417 right, is 3.720.
Remember to select clear cross for 18 left at Julia, taxi via Julia, Golf, and Hotel 1.
Okay, we'll cross 18 left. Golf Hotel, or excuse me, Hotel Golf, Golf 1. 506 Vector.
6 Victoria, you just going to continue on Juliet, which turns into Golf, and then Hotel 1.